How to replace the string on a Weed Eater twist in Edge RTE113C. The Weed Eater Twist and Edge model RTE113C comes with a removable spool that can be restrung whenever the string runs out. The string tends to break off quickly against hard objects like metal, rocks and fences, so you may need to replace the string frequently. For this reason, purchase large bulk rolls of trimmer string at a home and garden store and pull the string off the roll whenever necessary. This will save you time and trips to the store. Things you'll need: rag, scissors, 30 feet of 0.065-inch diameter trimmer string. Unplug the RTE113C's electrical cord from the extension cord and wait for the head to stop spinning. Turn the unit upside down so you can work on the head. Pull firmly on the tap button, in the center of the spool, to remove it from the cutting head. Wipe off the entire surface of the spool and head area with the rag. Cut off 30 feet of 0.065-inch trimmer string. Insert the end of the string about inch into the small hole on the spool. Follow the directional arrow on the spool and wind the string tightly and evenly around it. Leave 5 inches off the spool and press that remaining string into the notch on the spool to hold it in place. Thread the string through the hole in the head. Line up the notch on the spool with the notch on the head. Push the spool down into the head until it snaps into place. Tug up on the string end to free it from the holding notch.